27 kilometers the pass and 2,600 meters vertical jump. Even pro athletes take 4 hours to head the top of Mount 𝐂𝐸𝐿. Holy moly! This pass is so crazy! Let me take a breath. This pass is so crazy, but now we are already at the top of Mount 𝐂𝐸𝐿. It's 𝐿𝐷𝐷 here. So, how's a regular Joy like me, fat boy with about 200 pounds, to handle this beast? So let me bring out these two badass gadgets, the 𝐂𝐡𝐢𝐞𝐬 and the Robo-Dog. What is the exoskeleton? It's like having an invisible helper lifting your legs. And what is the Robo-Dog? Think of it as a metal mule carrying about 15 kilograms of your gear. So how much help these two techs can provide us to climb the mountain? Now we'll have a small test here. This test will have 2 rounds. The first round I will without the 𝐂𝐿𝐴𝐸𝐿 just to cross this Taobai Pass, and I will use the sport watch to track the distance, the heart rate, and also the calories we waste. The second round I will wear the equipment, and we will compare the data of the 2 rounds and to know how much this equipment can help us to climb the mountain. Now begin our first round. This pass is still crazy. Yeah. Now we have already finished the first round, and we can see the data. The heart rate is about 155, and the distance is about 200 meters, and the calories is about 94, 95. So if we have this cyberpunk equipment, how's it going? Let me try again. Okay, let's open this magic box. It's so easy to equip, just like to wear a clothes. Okay, let's start. Whoa! Whoa, 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 whoa. It just feels like, let's stop. It's just like Armstrong, the first step on the moon, you know. Now let's start the second round, and now I have equipped this machine, so it just feels like someone is pushing you to climb this pass, and someone just lifting your legs. Oh. It's too easy. You don't need to take a breath and just walk and walk. According to the engineer, he told us this equipment can help people to just lose about 13 kilograms. It's so easy. And the second round is finished. We can see the data here. The heart rate is about 125 beats per minute, and the distance is the same. It's about 200 meters, and the time is just about half of the first round. And we can see the calories is also almost half of the first round. According to our simple test, we can see this kind of cyberpunk equipment like this 𝐂𝐿𝐴𝐸𝐿 can really help us to climb the mountain, such as the Mount 𝐂𝐸𝐿. Think about it. Porters used to carry everything on their back. Now we've got Robo-Dogs doing the heavy lifting. Walking sticks are out and exoskeletons are in. These everyday changes show how technology is totally shaking things up in China, and this is just one tiny peek into the bigger picture.
So we can imagine with the development of the technology, we can use more and more this kind of devices to enjoy the scenic around China.